That's not good. Why is that not good, you may ask? It's not good because the MAP, or manifold absolute pressure reading, should not drop below 100. So today, if everything goes to plan, we shall attempt to remove, clean and reinstall the MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is located here on the outlet of the intercooler. So to access it, I'm going to go under the vehicle. The vehicle is now up on ramps, and here at the Silverhead Boomer YouTube channel we are all about safety. So I have chopped the gear wheels, and also I've made myself a note to take the vehicle out of four-wheel drive, because I put it into four-wheel drive low range to get it up on the ramps easier. There is my note: take out of four-wheel drive. Because if I drive off down the road with it still in four-wheel drive, that would not be good. This cable here is the one that runs down to the sensor, and I'm going to cut this cable tie using these Sid Chrome side cutters so that I have a little more cable to work with. The cable tie is now cut, giving us a little more cable to work with. I am now under the vehicle, and there is our sensor, and just on the other side there is a Phillips head screw, which I will attempt to remove. I will be using this Stanley 1-point Phillips head screwdriver with a stubby handle to attempt to remove the screw. We are now removing the screw. It's undoing quite easily. It was not very tight at all. The screw has been successfully removed. I will now attempt to remove the sensor. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm pretty much making it up as I go along. There we go. The sensor is out. That's what a MAP sensor looks like. I have detached the sensor from the cable. From the research I've done, these sensors are like mass airflow sensors and are very delicate, but you can use mass airflow sensor cleaner to clean them. So that is what we shall do. This is the cleaner I shall be using. Once again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just making it up as I go along. Alright, here goes. I've read the instructions on the can, and it says spray on and let evaporate. Because we care for the environment here at the Silverhead Boomer YouTube channel, we shall endeavour to capture as much runoff as possible in this plastic tray. Not sure how much to spray on, but I've sprayed some on. We will now let it evaporate and have a look, and then maybe do it again. All the cleaner has evaporated and the item looks to be dry. and the bits inside are definitely a different colour to when I pulled it out of the vehicle. While it was out, I also took a picture of the part number in case this does not work and I have to procure a new one. We shall now attempt to reinstall the sensor. And here comes the cat to help. It's Maisie, the mechanic Moggy. First, I will clip the sensor back into its cable, like so. I will now give the mounting surface a wipe with a clean cloth, trying not to wipe any gunge into the hole where the sensor goes. Shall now put the sensor back in. Like so. Get the screw, which I managed to not lose. Do that. Do that up finger tight, then we will get the same Stanley screwdriver that we used earlier. Nip up the screw. And click, using the built-in torque wrench in my wrist. Click. And we'll just give it a jiggle, and it's not loose. Now remove the work light from in amongst the belts, because it probably wouldn't be good to start the vehicle with that there. Quick look around. Ow. That hurt. No bits left over. That's always a good sign. I shall now replace the cable tie that I removed earlier with one of a different colour, but should still do the job. And now for the moment of truth. That's better. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. Any advice on here is of a general nature only. If you are not confident in doing this, consult your local Tata repair specialist. Thanks for watching.